They're making pasta for dinner. They're cutting vegetables. They're making pasta sauce. Making pasta. A, may. K, make. Simple action, make. Continuous. E, makey. Making. Making, similar, cooking. They are making pasta. Making, repeat. Pasta. P, a, pa, s, pas, t, past, pasta. They're making pasta. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What are they doing?
They're making pasta.
Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. She is cutting vegetables. Pronunciation. K, k, t, cut. Simple action, cut. Continuous. We change the sound t, the sound d. Cud. Cuddy. Cutting. No t, d. Cutting. She is cutting vegetables. Pronunciation, cutting. Repeat. Very good. Cutting. She is cutting vegetables. Pronunciation, v, e, ve. J, veg. T, veget. A, vegeta. B, vegetable. A, vegetable. O, vegetable. Z, vegetables. Remember, vegetables. No e, no veggie, vegetables. Vegetables. Repeat. Very good. So, she is cutting vegetables. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She is cutting vegetables.
Very good. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Pasta sauce. P, a, pa, s, pas, t, past, pasta. 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 Sauce. S, a, saw. S, sauce. 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 Pasta, sauce. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. So, positive, they're making pasta for dinner. They are, together, there. They're making pasta. I make a question. They are, switch. Are they? Question. Are they making pasta for dinner?
Yes, they're making pasta for dinner.
Very good. Question. Are they making pasta for dinner? Respond. Very good. Are they cutting vegetables?
Yes, they're cutting vegetables.
Question. Are they cutting vegetables? Respond. Very good. Are they making pasta sauce?
Yes, they're making pasta sauce.
Question. Are they making pasta sauce? Respond. Very good. The father is cooking fish for dinner. They are cooking together. Fish. It, fit. Sh, fish. Fish. One fish, two fish. Never fishes. One fish, two fish, three fish, four fish. So the father is cooking fish. Repeat. Very good. They are cooking together. T, G, tug. Tugget. Together. Together. They are cooking together. Together. Repeat. Very good. They are cooking together. She is cooking alone. 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 She is cooking alone. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What is the father cooking for dinner?
The father is cooking fish for dinner.
Very good. What is the father cooking for dinner? Respond. Very good. What are they doing?
They're cooking together.
Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. What is she doing?
She's cooking alone.
Question. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. They're baking cookies. The cookies are good. They're yummy. He is baking cookies. Bake. Bake. Bakey. Baking. Simple action, bake. Continuous, baking. In the moment, right now, he is baking cookies. Baking. Repeat. Very good. Cookies. Cook. Cook. Cookie. Cookies. One cookie. 1, 2, 3. Cookies. Cookies. He is baking cookies. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She's baking cookies.
Is she busy?
Yes, she's busy.
Very good. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Is she busy? Respond. Very good. The cookies are good. The cookies are yummy. The same. Good. 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 The cookies are good. Repeat. Very good. Yummy. Yeah. Yum. Yummy. The cookies are yummy. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What are they doing?
They're baking cookies.
Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Are the cookies good?
Yes, the cookies are good.
Are they yummy?
Yes, they're yummy.
Very good. Are the cookies good? Respond. Are they yummy? Respond. Very good.